That color looks a little crazy. Okay. Try it out. Wow. Dude, that oulage is crazy. Look at that. It's like, yeah. Cork looks okay. Let's see. Thank you. Welcome. Oh. Yeah. It'd be better if I had a light, huh? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dude, that is crazy.
How would you do that?
Wow. Oof, oof, oof.
Yeah, he's just clearing it to the phone. I know who he looks like.
I mean, that's, yep. Yep. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That cork is like definitely a little rough. Mm-hmm. Oh, dang, that's not good. Yeah, the fact that there's mold going in almost to the cork, I mean almost to the bottom. Look at the mold.
I see that.
It's going all the way through almost the cork. That's not good.
Tonight I changed it.
I mean, that cork, that is probably the worst cork I've ever seen. That's not good. I mean, obviously, oh, we got some tartrates. That's dirty. That is a dirty, 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 dirty cork. Yeah, but it's 91.
I know.
Look at this. The mold everywhere. Okay. I'm gonna check it out right now. Oh, it's gonna be. I can only imagine it's gonna be off. Wish it can show it more. It is like gold. That is matterized. That is cooked. 3-week-old yellow apple and nuts. Ooh, spicy, viscous, powerful, weighty, nutty. Oh yeah, it's done. Absolutely done. What a weird alcohol percentage. 13.9%. Completely done. Completely done. Completely done.
Yeah,
dude, look at that cork, bro. Cork is gnarly. Yeah, but look, right here is fine though. Yeah. It only got to here. You're fine. That's crazy, bro. Wow, that's a bummer.